Hi, and welcome back to Chicago Car Club. This is Mike, and today I'm going to be taking you around this awesome 1984 Chevy Corvette. I'm going to take you around, show you everything we see on it, take it for a ride, put it up in the air, try and get you comfortable making your purchasing decision off of our video and photos and description alone. As always, I encourage you to reach out anytime if you have questions or comments. And also, if you could like and subscribe to our page, that would help us tremendously. We're available 24/7 at 312-420-3696. This is an 84 Corvette with 7,000 original miles. It has the Z51 Performance Package. It's black over gray, glass roof, runs and drives great. I'm just going to take you around and get up close with it and show you any blemishes. The body's in original condition. A couple small, scratches and little imperfections in the urethane bumpers and stuff, but overall it's a consistent 7,000 mile car. It's got the crossfire fuel injection, and again, it runs and drives great. It's got a nice set of Falcon tires on it. Good tread left on them. The wear is good. We did rebuild the headlight motors. They're known for the gears falling apart in them, and we had one that was bad, so we did both of them. A couple little impression spots on the bumper where it cracked the paint a little bit. A little scratch on the hood. It's got the VIN stamp, so it's got the, can't remember what it was, the ID thing where everything's laser etched, including all the glass, all the body panels. They did that back in the day in case the car was ever stolen or dismantled. They could track down the culprits and also the parts. But for us, it helps tie the car to the parts that are on it being original. A rub mark there on the side of the mirror. Not going to find any rust on a Corvette unless it's on the underside. Body's nice and straight. We don't see any signs of any accidents or major repairs or anything. The rear glass release is good. The gas struts are good. It pops up. A little scratch in the glass there, we note. Power antenna doesn't operate. Pretty common problem on these. A lot of people disconnected them because when they broke, they would just continually run. Not exactly sure why it's not coming up, but a couple paint spidering there on the polyurethane rear bumper piece. Again, car with 7,000 miles is going to sit for a long time, and I'll be honest, I think cars get more scratches sitting still than they do being driven. But inside, the door cards are nice. I do want to point out that the little lock switch there is not in the car. We have one coming for it. I believe somebody replaced the exterior window molding whiskers, which were known to dry rot and crack out. And I believe they might have broke it or lost it at that point. Interior is really nice. Carpets are original and really nice. We've got the original mats underneath the glass roof, which is in the back here. All the features inside work, including the hatch release, the power seats, power windows, power mirrors, the telemetry, the dash, the odometer, radio. Even without the antenna, functions just fine. We don't have the tool for the glass roof. It's just a Torx bit, so we just use one of our torque drivers to remove it. Again, VIN stamps everywhere on this thing. Dash is in great shape, as you'll see. And you'll see when we take it for a ride and get it up in the air, one, it's a really good driver. Makes great power, idles nicely, as you can hear. Shifts through the gears perfectly, and it stops nice and straight. Everything you'd expect from the mileage. But time can be a culprit, and so it's always nice to get these things out and put them through their paces a little bit. We do have a clean Carfax that verifies the mileage on it. And as you can see, the analog digital light ups are all clear and visible. Take you under the hood, original as can be. Again, the Crossfire 5.7 liter V8 with the Z51 Performance Package, which along with some other things included sport suspension and other performance upgrades. The air conditioning doesn't kick on right now, but it is still set up for R12. I do not have R12, and I have not attempted to convert this yet. If we do, I will update on our website, but at the moment the compressor seems fine, but I believe it needs to be charged and possibly serviced. See the headlights come up and down nicely. We'll get in and take it for a ride, show you the radio works, wipers work, all the telemetry switches work, cruise control, horn, telescoping and tilt steering wheel is really nice if you're 6'3" like I am. And the power seats function just fine, along with the power mirrors and the power windows, which honestly, Chevy's power window, their window motors were known to suck. And so the windows roll very nicely and quickly on this car. Again, always we encourage you to call or text. We're here to answer your questions anytime at 312-420-3696. As you'll see as we get up to speed, the car drives nice and straight, no suspension noises, all the bushings are in place. Track's nice and straight down the road. There's no tire noise. The tires feel like they're worn nicely and the alignment's good. And you'll see when we lift off the steering wheel that under braking it stops nice and straight as well. We'll get the car up in the air here, up on a lift, show you around. Again, we believe in just full transparency. There is nothing to hide on a classic car, and I'll be honest, I can find something wrong with every one of them. So we want to show you everything we see. We don't try to cover or mask anything that isn't what's actually there. Very stock, very original. Spare tires in the tub back there. Looks like the original exhaust. Again, all the bushings and the suspension components are intact. And the underside looks really good. We did rinse off some cobwebs and stuff on it, so it's got a new fuel filter in 23. And we know there was some service work done on it then as well. Again, we encourage you to reach out, call or text anytime at 312-420-3696. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to speaking with you.